Hello, Lucky Pals. Check out this video. Let's assume you were scrolling YouTube Short or Instagram Reels, even TikTok, and this video comes up. Don't you think you would stop and watch it till the end? Or perhaps you might watch it again and again, or share it with your friends as well. This is the power of AI, and since very less people are doing it, those who do correctly are making good money with this niche. Some people may be worried if such videos can be monetized or not. Please trust me, if you do it correctly, such videos will be monetized. Let's assume, just in case if the channel is not monetized, you would still take advantage of the huge following and take good sponsorships and make money. You can also do affiliate marketing as well by promoting related products to your audience, and you will get a percentage out of it. In this video, you will learn all the knowledge needed to start a YouTube channel, Instagram page, or TikTok account on this niche without paying a single penny. So please ensure to watch this video till the end without skipping a single part. Alright, don't waste time. Let's dive in. Alright, to create this type of video, first thing we need is to generate amazing images of animals cooking for this. We'll need a perfect image prompt that can generate such images, and we need Chatgpt to help for this. So open Chatgpt and enter this. Imagine you're crafting creative and detailed prompts for generating hyper-realistic and cinematic image prompts with anthropomorphic animals acting as chefs, each with a unique name and personality and cooking moves, cooking specific dishes in a country kitchen with subtle fantasy elements, such as glowing ingredients, enchanted cooking tools, or floating spices, etc., and dramatic lighting to create a storybook atmosphere. Each character should feel unique in the setting, actions, and fantasy details. The setting should be visually rich and have intricate details to highlight the unique characteristics and cooking skills of the animals. Here is an example for your reference. No worries. I've added this complete prompt in the description to copy or adjust as you wish. Okay, here we go. Here, Chatgpt give us 5 different animal chefs prompts. You can ask Chatgpt to give you more prompts, so you have unlimited prompts for you videos. Okay, now we have prompts. Let's go to next step. Images generated. In this video, we will still use Pixlumen AI. If you watched my last video, you will find Pixlumen AI is cool free images generated tool. Okay, open Pixlumen AI, sign up with your email if you are first time use it. After sign in, hit create, choose Flux, 1, 916 for mobile videos, setting 4 images each time. Okay, paste the prompt and hit generate. Repeat paste and generate. Here we generate 10 different images first. Okay, now we have the images we need. Let's go on next step, images to video. Here I am still use Hailuo AI. Open Hailuo AI, sign up by email. If you are first time to sign up, you have 1,000 credits for 3 days. But if you are old user, just have 100 credits a day. And it doesn't matter. We can use 2 or 3 different emails, so we will have enough credits to create videos. Alright, video prompt, you can leave in blank, or like me, input, keep the lens steady, then hit to go. Each time we only can create 3 videos in line, so let's grab a coffee and take a rest. The left time is up to Hailuo AI. After long waitings, our videos are now ready. Let's get the final step, editing in CapCut. Here I will use CapCut desktop app, but you can use any tool that you feel more comfortable. Oh, Wait, one more thing. Our video needs a background music, so let's open Pixabay or YouTube Audio Library, download no copyright music. Here, I chose one cheerful music, let's download it. Okay, now open CapCut app and import the videos and background music into CapCut. First, drop the background music into the timeline. And click AI Mark Beats. Why I am using AI Mark Beats. That will make our video chips transit smoother. Okay, then add the video chip into the timeline. And zoom up the videos to cover watermark. Okay, then adjust each video chip to sync with Mark Beats. Then, add animate for each chip, effects and transitions. Last thing, add introductory text for each chef. Okay, done. Click export the video. So, lucky pals, if you found this video helpful or learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Now let's take a look at the video we've created.